Students, today we are going to discuss some of the questions from the chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation. So first question is, a shiny brown colored substance colored element X, okay, on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Right? So element X brown color कसको हुन्छ copper को भयो. So copper like के गर्दैछ now this on heating in air oxygen हुन्छ. Heat गर्दा now this will turn whenever your copper heat हुन्छ oxygen सँग के form हुन्छ copper oxide which is black in color. Okay, now what is the question? Name the element X. So what is your X? So X is your copper. Okay, and what is your black colored substance? So it is your copper oxide. Copper oxide. Okay, sir. So next question is, when calcium nitrate is heated, okay, यसले के दिन्छ calcium oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Now the question is, the correct number of moles of calcium nitrate, calcium oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen are present in the reactions respectively. You have to choose correct option from this correct answer from this four option. Right? So त्यसको लागि first you write down the balanced chemical equation. So reaction मा के हुँदैछ, your calcium nitrate, right? Heating of calcium nitrate is taking place. So heat गरे यसलाई. So के form हुन्छ calcium oxide solid, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen which is also in a gaseous state, right? Now the first task is to balance the chemical equation. Now हेर balance गर्नुको लागि compare गर, calcium 1 1, nitrogen 2 छ, यहाँ 1 छ, oxygen 6 छ, okay, यहाँ कतिवटा छ 2 plus 2 plus 1 गरे 4 5, right? So first make the number of oxygen atoms same. So यता 6 छ 5 छ, यसलाई 6 बनाउनुको लागि यता 2 राखिदेऊ calcium oxide को अगाडि. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 गर्दा कति भयो 6 भयो. Now calcium how many? So 2 र यहाँ कतिवटा छ 1. Now make the number of calcium atoms same. So अगाडि 2 राखिदेऊ. Okay, now number of calcium atoms same भयो, calcium 2, calcium 2. Now nitrogen को compare गर. So 2, okay, into 2 कति भयो 4. यहाँ कतिवटा छ 1 मात्रै. So make the number of nitrogen atom 4 भयो. Okay, now nitrogen number को atom number same, calcium को same भयो. Now oxygen. So oxygen मा के हुँदैछ कति छ 3 plus 6 भयो plus 2. Okay, sorry 6 into 2 12 भयो. यहाँ कति छ तिम्रो 12. 2 यता 12 छ, यहाँ 2 plus 8 हैन plus 2 गर्दा कति भयो 12. The number of oxygen atom is also same. So now what is the number of ratios of number of moles of this compound present in the reaction, involved in the reaction? So calcium कति छ 2 छ, okay, calcium oxide कति छ 2 छ, nitrogen dioxide कति छ 4 छ र oxygen कति छ 1 छ. So 2 2 4 1. So which is the correct option? Option B, 2 2 4 1. Now next is electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. Okay, now moles of ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is, again you need to choose the correct option. Our electrolysis of water, so when you do the electrolysis, okay, के पाउँछ हामीले, so this will decompose to give hydrogen and oxygen, balance the chemical equation. So कति छ यता oxygen 2, so make this 2, and hydrogen sorry oxygen 2 नै छ, okay, and hydrogen 4 भयो, so make this 4. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Now what is the mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? So hydrogen कति छ 2 छ र oxygen को mole ratio कति छ 1. So what is the mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? It is 2:1. So which one is the correct option? 1:1, 2:1, 4:1, 1:2. So correct option is your B. Next question is, which among the following statement is or are true? Okay, out of the 4. exposure of silver chloride to sunlight for a long duration turns grey. याद छ due to. Now 1 मा छ the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride. B मा छ sublimation of silver chloride. 3 मा छ decomposition of chlorine gas from AgCl र अर्को छ oxidation of silver chloride. Now what is the equation involved during decomposition of silver chloride? So silver chloride लाई whenever it is exposed to sunlight, okay, के पाउँछ हामीले, this will again get decomposed. Silver chloride will get decomposed to give silver and chlorine gas. So chlorine gas निस्केर जान्छ and silver it will के हुन्छ deposit हुन्छ as a grey substance, okay. So again balanced chemical equation. So what is the case? The exposure of sunlight for a long duration turns grey. So grey के लिए गर्दा हो. So chlorine the form हुँदैछ, okay, but it is escaping. It is not the chlorine which is giving the grey color, but it is your formation of silver which is giving the grey color. So okay, option 1 is the correct one. भयो. So 1 only छ A मा option मा 1 and 3. 3 मा के छ decomposition of chlorine gas हुँदैन, chlorine gas ले गर्दा हैन. So this is also not the correct option. 3 C मा छ 2 and 4 sublimation यो पनि हैन and D मा के छ 4 only oxidation त हैन. Okay, so your correct option is A, that is 1 only, the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride. Next question छ, which among the following is or are double displacement? यहाँ छ चारटामा कुन चाहिँ तिम्रो उयो double displacement हो भयो? A 1 4 या B 2 मात्रै या C 1 and 2 या D 3 and 4 भयो. So first मा हेरौँ. So Pb plus Cu and PbCl2 plus Cu. So what is this reaction type? यहाँ के हुन्छ, one is displacing the other, right? So this is your only displacement reaction, single displacement reaction, okay. Now next मा छ तिम्रो sodium sulfate barium chloride, barium sulfate sodium chloride. So it exchange भयो, right? Sodium chloride barium sulfate. So here the radicals are exchanging, हैन, दुईटै exchange हुँदैछ. So this is your double displacement. Now next छ तिम्रो carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, हैन. So this is your simple oxidation reaction. And here के भयो? So carbon, methane र oxygen मा carbon dioxide and you are getting water. So this is combustion reaction, or you can say this is redox reaction, okay, but not your double displacement reaction. So यहाँ चारटामा which one is the only double displacement reaction? 2, right? So which is the correct option? B, only 2. So B is the correct option for question number 5. Next question is assertion given and reason. This equation, so your benzene and oxygen सँग reaction, combustion reaction हुँदैछ, carbon dioxide, water. So is a balanced equation, okay. Now reason मा छ, in balanced chemical equation the total number of atoms of each element may or may not equal to both side of the equation. So balance यो के भन्दैछ, assertionले this is your balanced equation भन्दैछ र reason मा भन्दैछ balance equation मा number of atom in both side तिम्रो same हुनु सक्छ या same हुनु सक्दैन. Now for this, these are the 5 options. So choose the correct option. You need to choose the correct option. So first option is, yeah, both assertion र reason correct हो and your reason is correct explanation of assertion हो भनेपछि you need to choose A. Both assertion and reason, both statement are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of your assertion भनेपछि you need to choose B. C मा assertion true, this is false, reason false. D मा assertion false, reason reason assertion false and reason true मा भयो र यीमा बोथ आर फल्स भनेपछि यु निड टु अकर्डिङली यु निड टु चुज द करेक्ट अप्सन न हाम्रो क्वेसन के छ 2C6H6 plus 7 by 2 O2 4 carbon dioxide and 3 water. Okay, now see whether the equation le bandesa this is balanced equation. Now check whether the equation is balanced or not. First we'll start with carbon. So carbon कति छ 2 into 6 गर्दाखेरि 12 छ right. यो साइड मा कति छ 4. So is the equation balanced? एउटालाई हेर अरूलाई नहेर्दा नि हुन्छ छैन नेम सेम छैन right. So this is not a balanced chemical equation. So भनेपछि assertion के हो तिम्रो false हो ठिकै छ. Now reason ले के भन्दैछ balanced chemical equation मा के हुन सक्छ number of atoms same हुन सक्छ same हुन सक्दैन तर हामीलाई के याद छ जहिले पनि whenever we talk about balanced chemical equation right. So number of atom in both side reactant product मा के हुनुपर्छ equal हुनै पर्छ भन्नुको मतलब reason पनि के हो तिम्रो false हो. So assertion false reason false भनेपछि which one is the correct option E के छ both assertion and reason are false. Next question cha assertion photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction. The reason ma ke bhandasa energy get released in the process of photosynthesis. Now assertion what is photosynthesis? Now this is your photosynthesis reaction where carbon dioxide plant will form food through your carbon dioxide water in presence of sunlight. Okay, now your sunlight ko presence ma mate the reaction will occur. So your जुन चाहिँ assertion छ it is your correct endothermic reaction हो. So this is true it is your endothermic reaction किनभने यता heat absorb हुँदैछ light absorb हुँदैछ. Then next मा reason मा के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ energy get release in the process release हुन्छ no absorb हुन्छ right. So this is false. So assertion true reason false भनेपछि which is the correct option C assertion true reason false. Right? Now next question cha identify the oxidizing agent in the following MnO2 HCl. Okay, it is converting to MnCl2 and Cl2 and H2O. Now तिम्रो के भयो MnO2 र HCl के गर्यो MnO2 ले oxygen loss गर्यो right loss of oxygen भनेपछि loss of oxygen means this is your reduction reaction your MnO2 is getting reduced भनेपछि this is your getting oxidized भयो. So MnO2 यो के हुँदैछ reduce भयो. Then HCl भन्नुको मतलब एउटा reduce भयो भने reagent मै तिम्रो अर्को के हुन्छ oxidized हुन्छ. Okay, so that means one यो reduce भयो यो oxidized हुँदैछ. So MnO2 is oxidizing your HCl right. So MnO2 is your oxidizing agent भयो भनेपछि जो oxidize हुन्छ त्यो के हो reducing agent. So what is your question identify the oxidizing agent right. So which one is your oxidizing agent MnO2 is the oxidizing agent. Next question is your in the reaction Be2C plus XH2O give Be Y hydroxide beryllium hydroxide and methane. Write the value of X and Y. So that means you need to balance the equation. So के छ equation Be2C plus X H2O. Okay, it gives your Y OH यो छोडिदियो अहिले Y र X plus CH4. So beryllium यता कतिवटा छ 2 छ. So make beryllium 2 ठिकै छ. नाउ तिम्रो कति भयो कार्बन ओके हाइड्रोजन गर सो यता कति भयो हाइड्रोजन 4 2 into 2 4 plus 4 कति भयो 8 भयो. यता कतिवटा छ 2 छ. सो मेक दिस 8 त्यसको लागि 4 अगाडि लेख्नु पर्यो भयो. नाउ अक्सिजन कति भयो 4 यता कति छ अक्सिजन 2 into 2 गरेर 4. ओके नाउ तिम्रो वाटरको अगाडि कति छ X. So X is what? Your 4, right? र Y is your Be beryllium hydroxide को अगाडि को छ. So Y is your 2. So here X is 4 and Y is 2. Now next question carbonate of metal X okay is white solid कार्बोनेट हो. It decomposes when heated to form, यसलाई हिट गऱ्यो भने के हुन्छ, डिकम्पोज टु गिभ कार्बन डाइअक्साइड एन्ड येल्लो सलिड. ओके, येल्लो सलिड अक्साइड. So now you need to find out what is your metal X. भयो. Now तिम्रो येल्लो अक्साइड कसको हुन्छ, येल्लो अक्साइड इज your lead oxide. ओके, भन्नुको मतलब यो जुन चाहिँ छ तिम्रो कार्बोनेट, what is your carbonate? X oxide. So what is your carbonate? X is your what? Lead हो. ओके न. सो भनेपछि यो के हुन्छ, कार्बोनेट, lead carbonate. On this, on heating, will give lead oxide, okay, which is your yellow oxide and carbon dioxide. So भनेपछि X is your lead. What is metal X? X is your lead, PB. ठीक है सर. Next sir, identify the reducing agent in the following reaction. So this is the reaction. Fe2O3 plus CO. Okay, it is giving you Fe plus CO2. So again, write down the equation. 3 plus 3CO, it gives 2 Fe plus 3CO2. Right? So iron oxide, यहाँ के भयो, iron ferric oxide is getting converted to ferrous iron, sorry, र carbon monoxide is getting converted to carbon dioxide. यता oxygen loss गर्यो, right? Loss of oxygen भन्नुको मतलब यो के हो, reduction हो. Okay, and carbon monoxide एउटा थियो, अझै एउटा आयो. So this is your oxidation. Gain of oxygen means this is your oxidation. So भन्नुको मतलब Fe2O3 यो के भयो, it is getting reduced. Okay, and carbon monoxide, it is getting oxidized. भन्नुको मतलब, so जो reduce हुन्छ, what is that here? Oxidizing agent. Okay, and the one which will get oxidized, right, helping other reduce. So this is your reducing agent. भनेपछि what is your question? Identify reducing agent. So carbon monoxide is a reducing agent. ठीक है छ. So next question is write the chemical equation for the reaction taking place when number 1 मा छ equation लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, magnesium number 1 मा छ magnesium react with dilute HNO3. So magnesium, what is the symbol for magnesium? Mg. What is your symbol for nitric acid? दिएकै छ HNO3, right? So magnesium and manganese is the only metal जसले चाहिँ नाइट्रिक एसिडबाट के गर्छ, हाइड्रोजनलाई डिस्प्लेस गर्छ. याद राख्नु, मैले जस्तै भनेको छु भयो. सो यु विल गेट प्रडक्ट एज म्याग्नेशियम नाइट्रेट, फर्मुलाहरू एकदमै याद राख्नु है, एन्ड हाइड्रोजन भयो. सो दिस इज द रियाक्सन टेकिङ प्लेस इन क्वेसन नम्बर 1. नम्बर 2 मा छ सोडियम रियाक्ट्स विथ वाटर. वाट इज यर सोडियम सिम्बल? Na. वाटरको के हो? H2O भयो. मेटल र वाटर, सो सोडियम इज हाइली रियाक्टिभ, भिगोरियसली रियाक्ट हुन्छ. सो इभन इट क्याचेस फायर भयो. सो सोडियम र वाटरमा गर्दाखेरि यु विल गेट अक्साइड, बट सोडियम अक्साइड इज सल्युबल इन वाटर. भन्नुको मतलब यु विल गेट सोडियम हाइड्रो अक्साइड र हाइड्रोजन पनि डिस्प्लेस हुन्छ. ओके, four भयो. So 2 and 2. So this is the balanced chemical equation for question number 2. Question number 3 मा छ Zn, okay, zinc formula Zn reacts with hydrochloric HCl. भयो. मेटल र HCl मा जहिले पनि मेटलले H लाई डिस्प्लेस गर्छ र सल्ट फर्म गर्छ. Zn Cl2 and you will get hydrogen gas. भयो. So these are the reaction balanced for your equation for this reaction question.